Been a mild winter overall.
It has been. January and February well above average, but March came in like a lamb for maybe one day, and since then it's been a pretty brutal month for us. March tends to be a tough month because you sense spring is on the horizon, and then it's just so far out of reach. It never seems to really settle in. Here's a look at the next 12 hours. Today it's below average again. Temperatures topping out in the mid 40s, and it's going to be very windy all day. We'll start the day with clouds. By about 9 or 10 a.m. the clouds are going to break up, and then the afternoon is sunny and bright, which is good news. But it is still very blustery. It's not the kind of day you want to go out for a long run or a long walk because it'll just kind of blow you down the street today. Although if you run with the tailwind, that'll help you out a little bit. Clouds and radar showing that continuing snow up across New England as the system moves away. Nothing as heavy as yesterday, but we just got to kick it out of here. And eventually we'll do that as high pressure builds in from the south. You can see the clouds across the region, some breaks in the cloud cover here and there, but we will see more breaks in the cloud cover through the afternoon. By 10 a.m., clouds start to move out, maybe a few flurries today in the Poconos. That's about it. This afternoon is bright and sunny, but still very blustery. Look at those wind barbs just continuing. Now tomorrow, winds become more southerly, and that's going to bring in some milder air into the region. Winds die down a little bit. 2:30 p.m., nothing but sunshine. Gold Star goes to Thursday, and Friday starts off nice as well. Friday morning we'll see some sunshine. It's mild, but then by Friday afternoon or evening, that's when we'll start to see our next chance of showers. Friday night, areas of rain could impact the area, but it is mild. So upper 50s for Thursday, low 60s on Friday. Not bad. This model actually brings us to 65 degrees on Friday, but yeah, I think it'll stay a little below that as clouds build in for St. Patrick's Day. Not bad for March Madness watching Thursday and Friday, but then showers Friday night into Saturday morning, and we're colder late Saturday into Sunday.